Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're traveling north on I-65 in Montgomery County, Alabama. We begin at the first crossing of U.S. Highway 31 at mile 164, and we're finally approaching the city of Montgomery, the capital city of Alabama. Named for Richard Montgomery, it stands beside the Alabama River on the coastal plain of the Gulf of Mexico. In the 2010 census, Montgomery's population was 205,764. It's the second most populous city in Alabama after Birmingham and is the 118th most populous city in the United States. In the 2018 estimate, the population had decreased to 198,218. Due to its location along the Alabama River and extensive rail connections, Montgomery has been and continues to be a regional distribution hub for a wide range of industries. Since the late 20th century, it has diversified its economy, achieving increased employment in sectors such as healthcare, business, government, and manufacturing. Today, the city's gross metropolitan product is $12.15 billion, representing 8.7% of the gross state product of Alabama. Montgomery has more than 1,600 acres of parkland, which are maintained and operated by the City of Montgomery Parks and Recreation Department. Montgomery has one of the biggest art scenes of any mid-sized city in America. Montgomery Museum of Fine Arts permanent collections include American art and sculpture, Southern art, master prints from European masters, and collections of porcelain and glassworks. Montgomery Zoo holds more than 500 animals from 5 continents and 40 acres of barrier-free habitats. The Hank Williams Museum contains one of the largest collections of Williams memorabilia in the world. The Museum of Alabama serves as the official state history museum and is located in the Alabama Department of Archives and History building downtown. The W.A. Gale Planetarium, operated by Troy University, is one of the largest in the southeast United States and offers tours of the night sky and shows about current topics in astronomy. The planetarium was upgraded to a full-dome digital projector in 2014. Numerous musical performers have roots in Montgomery. Tony Tennille of the Captain and Tennille, jazz singer and pianist Nat King Cole, country singer Hank Williams, blues singer Big Mama Thornton, Melvin Franklin of the Temptations, and guitarist Tommy Shaw of Styx. Montgomery has been the home of Alabama State University, a historically black university since the Lincoln Normal University for Teachers relocated from Marion in 1887. Today, ASU is the second largest HBCU in Alabama, enrolling nearly 5,000 students from 42 U.S. states and 7 countries. The public Troy University maintains a 3,000 student population campus in downtown Montgomery that houses the Rosa Parks Library and Museum. Another public institution, Auburn University at Montgomery, with an enrollment of nearly 5,000 overwhelmingly from the Montgomery area, is in the eastern part of the city. Montgomery's Baptist Medical Center South also hosts a branch of the University of Alabama Birmingham Medical School on its campus on the Eastern Boulevard. We enter Elmore County, which had an estimated population of 81,209 as of 2019. Over the past 2 decades, Elmore County has transferred from an economy based on agriculture to one of Alabama's fastest growing counties. Between 2004 and 2007, 1,110 new jobs were created in the county. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. We conclude today's video here at the second crossing of US 31 at exit 186. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.